Welcome back, everyone. This week we explore the Olympic Discovery Trail in northern Washington on the Olympic Peninsula. We completed a short section of the 130-mile trail that runs from Port Townsend to the Pacific Ocean. Filled with forest, tunnels, and lake views, this section of the trail is at Lake Crescent. All right, everyone, we are about to start the Olympic Discovery Trail. We parked on the Western Inn, right across the street from Soul Duck Trailhead Turnoff, or Soul Duck Hot Springs Road Turnoff. I thought there was gonna be a sign, but I'll get on my bike. Here we go. There is a porta potty when you first start the trail, and so far it is looking completely paved. We picked this part of the Olympic Discovery Trail, also known as the ODT, because online it said this is the most picturesque portion that covers the northern side of Lake Crescent. So what they don't tell you if you park on the western side like we did is the first few miles are pretty much all downhill. I have pedaled about 5 strokes and that's it. And otherwise just coasting, cruising at a sweet 12 or 13 miles an hour. Nope. So we have done about 4.5 miles, rarely had to pedal at all, few semi-flat spots, and we are not quite down to the lake yet, so it looks like more downhill to come. So we are at the 5th mile. This is a turnout right here for the Fairholme campground. Otherwise we're gonna keep going straight along the ODT, and it looks like it kind of levels out right here. Oh, that sun feels so good. Ooh. We're at almost 7 miles in. For the next 4 miles, there's no bathroom. I don't even see one here, so I don't know why it's telling me that. Pets are allowed on a leash or in a backpack. And there's an unlit tunnel ahead. And of course, I knew there was tunnels today and I didn't bring my light. Luckily, Kari always comes prepared. Let's go.
I don't even have to think about it.
Beautiful. Slow in, slow in, slow in. You stopping? There's the lodge. Hey, that's where we drove over there. So on the right side over here, that road is where you drive in on, and you actually can't, at least I haven't seen where you would get over here other than on this trail. So if you want to explore this part of the park, you can either walk way over here or you can bike. We've reached the beautiful section. Cool. At about mile 8 to 9, it really opens up to the lake, and oh my gosh, this trail Has been beautiful the whole time, but talk about spectacular now. Gorgeous riding along the rim of the Crescent Lake. It's really nice. The lake here is crystal clear. I mean, you can see the rocks perfectly. You can't see very far because I think this is pretty deep and it quickly turns to dark. But it is very nice and clear. After a scenic stop at mile 9 point something, there are beautiful ferns. The lake is behind us. It's a great stopping point for a snack, a drink of water. Loving it.
Loving it. If it was a little bit warmer, it would be even better.
Finally, there are some climbs during this ride. Here at the last mile. As we approached the eastern end of the trail, we noticed more traffic with people out walking and biking, as well as a much larger parking lot. If you don't plan to complete the entire section like we did, you will be much closer to the water views and swimming at the Devil's Punch Bowl if you start here. Made it. What's your mileage? So this is the other parking lot. There are a lot of cars here, but if you got here early, there's a lot more parking here than where we parked. There is an outhouse as well. We can go to the bathroom and a trash. Otherwise, if you go a little further on the road, we were told there's like a little store where you could do a sandwich. I don't know what the road is. We'll have to look it up on the maps later. Otherwise, a really good spot. A lot of people are hiking on this end, not a lot where we started. All right, we're gonna head back. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride. See you next time.